Some clients pay us off in full after their home sells because they have enough equity in their home that when their home sells, they just pay us off. Other clients, though, might not have enough money. And we've had many scenarios where they sell their home, they get access to the equity, and they bring a piece or portion of that money over to pay us back. And if they don't have enough money, the good news is we've already approved them for a long-term mortgage at market rates before we've even started this process. So they know going into buying the new house before they even sell their home that they're going to be able to qualify for the long-term mortgage to pay us off. And that's how we get paid back. And the benefit to someone using this product is you're all cash. You can close in 10 days. There's no appraisal contingency. There's no mortgage contingency. So the seller, you're able to work on their timeline by closing as quickly as they want to close. Contingencies. There are no contingencies. There's no appraisal. There's no mortgage. You could still do an inspection, but the seller knows that there's certainty of you closing. And then price, as long as you're in the ballpark, or if they value the price, a lot, you could then offer whatever you need to do to get the deal done. And that's why we've had so much success with the product. Now, it's a 4-month loan with an option to extend for an additional 4 months if needed. This is such a big win for the product. There's no money out of your pocket. So if all of your equity is tied up in your home, you don't have a ton of cash on hand, that is okay. You're not going to have to pay anything out of your pocket to buy the new home. It's all rolled into the loan. And there's no monthly payments out of your pocket. The interest accrues each month. And once you sell your other home and pay us back, that's when you pay us back interest and origination. This product is great for someone that has identified the home they want to move into. They want to move quickly. They want to be certain that this is the house that I love and I need to win it. Great product for someone in that scenario. It's probably not best for someone who isn't serious about selling their home, who might want to list their home and overprice it, who says, oh, I could take 6 months or a year to sell my home. That's not who this is for. This is for the family that's got 2 kids, 2 dogs. They want to move into a new school system before the school year starts. They want to be certain that this is the house that I love. I need to win this house. It's a great product for that family. It's also great for someone that might be downsizing. They've got a ton of equity in their home and they're thinking, all right, now's the time for me to move into something maybe a little bit smaller. Maybe I want to move closer to the water. I want to tap the equity in my home. Maybe I do not want to sell my, stocks in my IRA account and pay a huge capital gains. So this could be a great product for someone that wants to access that equity, only have to pay interest and origination fees, which is going to be a lot less than the capital gains that you would otherwise pay if you had to sell stock in an IRA and pay penalties or any capital gains taxes. So if you're thinking about starting your home search and you're nervous about what am I going to do if I have to sell my home first and then look to buy, this product completely solves that issue. And it's the reason we've done over 60 of them in the last year, where we let you buy the new home, all cash, no appraisal, no mortgage. You get to move into the house and then you get 4 months to sell your other home and pay us back. And if you can't pay us back in full, that's okay, because we don't originate the cash offer loan unless we pre-approved you for the takeout refinance. And that's a win because for you, it's short term. You know that there's certainty long term that you've already qualified and have been approved, fully underwritten for the end mortgage. So this is just a means to the end to help you get into your dream home, move your family. If you think this might be a great product for you, if you're a real estate agent that's listening and you might have a client that might benefit from this, we'd be happy to do a consultation, see if it's the right fit, and hopefully help get you into your dream home.